Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best bed filler gap king is probably one of the most innovative solutions to a common bedroom problem, transforming your sleep experience by seamlessly bridging the gap between your mattress and headboard or footboard, ensuring a cozy and uninterrupted night's rest. This clever product aims to eliminate those annoying spaces where pillows, blankets, and even small personal items tend to disappear, offering a practical and elegant fix that enhances both comfort and bedroom tidiness. Number 5. Kolbs King Headboard Wedge Pillow. Tired of that awkward gap behind your headboard? This innovative pillow fills it perfectly, instantly upgrading your bedroom's look and feel. Keep your essentials close at hand with 2 convenient side pockets. Store your devices, remote, or glasses with ease. No more tangled cords. The pockets feature an access hole, allowing you to thread your charging wire and keep your devices powered up. Life happens, and that's okay. The cover is removable and machine washable, making cleaning a breeze. Crafted with high-density foam, this pillow provides exceptional comfort and support for years to come. Experience the difference quality makes. Measuring 6 by 10 by 76 inches, this king-size wedge offers ample space and support, fitting perfectly behind your headboard. What we like? This one instantly elevates your bedroom's aesthetic. It features convenient side pockets with a charging wire access hole. If you're looking to add a touch of style while keeping your devices charged and accessible, this is a great choice. What people say. The bed filler is a great solution for the gap between mattresses, providing a seamless sleeping surface. It effectively fills the void, preventing items from falling into the gap and improving overall comfort. Number 4. Vekkia King Bed Wedge Pillow. Tired of your belongings falling into the gap between your mattress and headboard? This innovative pillow is designed to fill that space, ensuring nothing slips through. Experience a more natural sleep with its curved design that aligns perfectly with your pillow. You can turn freely and relax without uncomfortable elevation. Crafted from premium high-density foam, it offers consistent and stable support. It's built to last, maintaining its shape without sagging. Keep your essentials like your phone, remote, or glasses within easy reach. These handy side pockets help keep your bedside tidy and organized. The removable cover features a zipper for easy removal and is machine washable. Cleaning away sweat, dust, and dirt is simple. It arrives compressed for easy shipping, just unpack and allow it to expand fully. Each one is inspected for your consistent comfort and use. What we like? This option is designed to perfectly fill gaps from 0 to 6 inches, preventing items from falling. Its curved top aligns naturally with your pillow for comfortable sleep. If you have a significant gap or prefer a more natural sleeping posture, this is the one for you. What people say. This bed filler is a game changer for filling the gap between mattresses. It fits perfectly and creates a seamless surface, making the bed much more comfortable. The material is durable and easy to clean, which is a big plus for maintenance. Number 3. FeelAtHome Bed Bridge Twin to King Converter Kit. Easily combine 2 twin or twin XL beds into a spacious king-size bed with our mattress connector kit. It's perfect for creating a larger sleeping space for guests, couples, or family stays. Create a smooth, seamless sleeping surface for a more comfortable and restful night's sleep. It's compatible with various bed sizes, ensuring a perfect fit. Our kit includes an extra-long strap to help reduce slipping and keep both mattresses securely connected. This ensures enhanced stability throughout the night. Setting it up is a breeze. Just place the beds together, insert the bridge, and secure the strap. It's also designed for easy hand washing. Made with high-density foam and reinforced stitching, it's built for lasting shape and stability. It's ideal for making any bed guest-ready for holidays or special occasions. This converter is perfect for guest rooms, kids' rooms, hotels, and vacation rentals. It provides a comfortable and seamless sleeping experience anywhere. What we like? This is your go-to for combining 2 beds into one large king-size space. It creates a smooth, seamless sleeping surface with an adjustable strap for stability. If you frequently host guests or need to convert beds for family stays, this is an excellent solution. What people say. It is a great product that fills the gap between the mattress and the headboard. The filler is made of high-quality foam that is durable and comfortable. The design is simple and elegant, and it fits perfectly with any bedroom decor. Number 2. SnugStop Original Bed Wedge Pillow. Are you constantly losing your pillow or other items between your headboard and mattress? This patented wedge is designed to fill that gap, ensuring nothing slips away. This triangular pillow wedge fits perfectly between your mattress and headboard or wall. It prevents your pillows from sinking and creates a seamless barrier. Made from high-density foam, it stays cool in the summer and provides insulation in the winter. It's also great for preventing pets and children from slipping into the crack. It comes with a removable, machine-washable pillowcase that easily unzips. Available in multiple colors, it blends seamlessly with your bedding. Keep your essentials close at hand. The built-in side pockets are perfect for storing remotes, glasses, or your mobile phone. Beyond just filling gaps, it can also be used as a comfortable bolster pillow for sitting up in bed. It's a great addition to any bed in your home. Ideal for college dorm beds or kids' rooms, it stops everything from stuffed animals to books from disappearing. Make it a staple for every bed. What we like? This patented triangular wedge is designed to fill the gap effectively and prevent items from slipping through. It also offers dual-side pocket holders for your essentials. If you want a reliable gap filler that also provides convenient storage and can be used for sitting up, consider this option. What people say. The bed filler is a great product that fills the gap between the mattress and the headboard. It is made of high-quality foam that is comfortable and supportive. The bed filler is easy to install and remove. Number 1. Insieme King Size Bed Wedge Pillow. Tired of things falling behind your bed? This wedge pillow completely fills the gap, keeping your pillows, pets, and belongings right where you want them. Use it for reading, watching TV, or sleeping. Its adaptable design provides the perfect height and support, easily covering gaps from 0 to 6 inches. Enjoy the soft, hypoallergenic cover that's breathable and machine washable. It's easy to remove and reattach for simple cleaning. At 76 inches long, it covers the entire width of your king-size bed. The firm yet flexible foam maintains its shape all night long. It arrives vacuum-packed for convenience. Simply unroll it and allow 24 to 48 hours to fully expand to its original shape before use. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any issues, we offer hassle-free refunds or replacements. What we like? This pillow offers versatile use with adjustable heights for different needs, from sleeping to reading. It provides full coverage across your king-size mattress. If you need a flexible solution that can adapt to various activities and provides comprehensive gap filling, this is a strong contender. What people say. The bed filler is a great solution for the gap between mattresses, making the bed feel like one large surface. It effectively fills the space, preventing items from falling into the gap and improving the overall comfort of the bed. The material is durable and easy to clean, ensuring long-lasting use and hygiene. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.